Some fell onto the T-Rex as it roared at the press of a button, but the water leaked through the foam skin and added extra weight, making its movements jittery, and sometimes it even moved by itself. After each shoot, crew members spent all night drying it with towels and blow dryers, but it became super heavy and fragile. And because it was so big, they rebuilt and shifted the set around it dozens of times, creating the illusion that the T-Rex was walking.